Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox my fine jewelry purchases from LV, Tiffany Co and Cleef Arpels. I buy mainly fine jewelry for my birthday present. Fine jewelry lasts forever and the pieces I pick are mainly the classic style that I can collect and build throughout the years. This is my first fine jewelry purchase from Louis Vuitton. It was purchased separately in December and February, but I can still consider this as my birthday purchase. By the way, my birthday was in March. A good month to shop, I guess. To reveal, a pair of logo earrings from Louis Vuitton, made with natural diamonds and 18K solid gold. I'll leave a link of these pieces down below. This is the 18K white gold with a diamond, and the other pair is in 18K yellow gold with a diamond. These are stud earrings. The earring post is comfortable and thin enough that it does not irritate my piercings. The stud closure has this lock mechanism to make sure it stays on. The earrings are sold separately as single earrings. I like to mismatch my earrings, but this could be worn in a few ways. It could be worn on the same ear like how I'm wearing it now, or I could also wear them separately on each ear. So what do you think of my first purchase? Next, let's see what I got from Tiffany Co. I've been eyeing at this piece since it was first released, but I never could try it on the store since it's always out of stock. To reveal the hardware pendant in 18K yellow gold. What do you think? I love the shine of this piece and the substantial size of the pendant. The length of the chain is about 16 inch, a tad shorter than the average pendant necklace, but I like to wear it shorter anyways. You can request to lengthen or shorten the chain for free for the first few months of purchase. There's Tiffany Co logo engraved on the pendant link. It's a very nice detail that makes it very beautiful. But anyway, what do you think about the pendant? Do you have any wish list from the hardware collection? I love them all. Alright, let's get to the best part. I have been waiting for this piece for 2 months, but they were always out of stock. Luckily, my lovely SA came through just 2 days before my birthday. And to reveal, here is my first 5 motifs Alhambra bracelet. This is in onyx with 18K yellow gold. When I first saw it in person, I was stunned, you guys. It is so pretty in person. I know this would be my daily bracelet. It is comfortable to wear and the color onyx is so easy to style and match with any outfit. I like wearing neutral colors and onyx is just a perfect match with my style, or if you can call it a style. I need to adjust the length of the bracelet since it's too long on me. It will take about 3 weeks to a month to shorten the length for free at the boutique. The only qualms I have with onyx is that how easy it is to show fingerprints and dirt. I always wear some type of lotion on my hands so it would show on the onyx pieces, and then dirt would attach to the lotions on the onyx and it's just a mess. I need to always clean or wipe it with the cleaning cloth provided. I think I could handle that. I think onyx pieces are a cult favorite since it is the toughest stone in the Alhambra collection. I am waiting for another Alhambra piece to arrive soon, so stay tuned for that one. Oh, before I forgot, I have a shopping vlog showcasing items from Tiffany Co and Cleef Arpels. Check out the video linked above or on the description below if you are interested to see what I tried on the store. Just to share extra things that comes with the purchase of the vintage Alhambra bracelet, my SA included a travel pouch, the receipt and authenticity papers, of course, and a care booklet with the cleaning cloth inside. I also requested the VCA catalog and a magazine just to keep as a coffee table book. So that's all, peeps. Let me know if you want to see more detailed videos of the pieces or if you have any questions on this. If you are curious about the prices of the items, you can check out the description box below. Thank you for watching and subscribing. I appreciate it. Take care. Bye.